Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily tag some user in your Instagram post. Friends, please do not forget to put your likes under this video, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So friends, when you want to, let's say, tag someone in a publication, what do you need to do first? First, of course, you need to put up such a publication. Let's move on to creating posts. Choose some photo from the gallery. And when you select a photo, next, click. Do all the necessary manipulations to edit the photo, and when you, friends, get to this last page before you post the photo, you're gonna have to click on Add People. Click here, and you'll have two options here. So the first one is to click on the photo and select the person you'd like to tag. To do that, you need to enter their nickname as they're signed on Instagram, and then select them from the list. And the second option is that you can co-author a certain person. To do this, you need to click here. Then also enter the person's name. And then click on that person. And that way, they'll get an invitation to co-author later on. What it means? It means that this post will be visible both on your page and on that person's page. And after you make the necessary changes, click Ready. And then you put your post up. And the second option. This, if you, let's say, already have some post, and you would like to mark a person on it, that is, this post is already posted on your Instagram. How do you do that? To do this, friends, you will need to open such a post. Then click on the three dots above it. And then select Edit. And here choose to tag the person. Then also the most you can click absolutely anywhere in the photo. Enter the name of the person, select him from the list, and this mark, friends, you can also, as you can see, you can move it to any point of the photo. That is, if you have several people in the photo, you want to mark them, you can put a mark for a particular person under each of them. Next. After that, don't forget to click Done and save everything. And now, friends, as you can see in the photo, at the bottom of the photo, there's a person marked like this. And if you click on it, you'll see the mark on the photo and you can click on it. So this is how you can easily tag any Instagram user in your post. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. Bye-bye.